Hi, I'm Kathy Connard, a technical rep for Turf Trade. I started my career some 30 years ago working for a wedding agent company and have spent the last 30 years really trying to help you understand this most confusing category of products. I put together a step-by-step process to help determine which wedding agent is best for your site-specific property. All properties have differences in regards to soil and water chemistry, how you manage them product-wise, culturally, turf type, soil type. There's a lot that goes into and needs to be considered when choosing the right product. And because there are so many differences, all companies, most companies, including Turf Trade, has a line of products. Today, I'd like to talk to you about Gamechanger, one of the products that's in our arsenal of products to help you. How a surfactant performs and how long it lasts is determined by the molecular weight, size, and structure. With Gamechanger, we combined two different surfactant chemistries, giving you a more reliable performance under many water, soil, and environmental conditions. We took a capped surfactant because the capped surfactants help to create the attachment sites for water to adhere to. And it also helps to form the thin layers of water that can move more easily throughout the soil profile. We then added an uncapped block surfactant, and that's because they're known for their ability to remediate soil water repellency, and they're also characterized because they can enhance infiltration, penetration, and movement of water throughout the soil profile. So you're probably, those of you that hear people talk about surfactants are going, okay, so what's new? When there are capped technologies out there and uncapped technologies out there, what makes Gamechanger different? Well, what we did is the uncapped block surfactants can exist as a singular unit. They call that a monomer configuration. Or if their concentrations are high enough, like we did in Gamechanger, we can form a spherical micelle configuration. That structure is not only going to enhance performance by strengthening the surfactant formulation, but it's also going to provide more sites for water to attach throughout the soil profile. But we didn't stop there. I hear over and over and over again that if I don't pound the water on, I don't put enough water on, that it gets caught up in the thatch mat layer. The surfactant gets caught up in the thatch mat layer, and then I have sponginess. So what we did was we were able to manipulate the molecular weight of this product. So now, with very low water in requirements, and I mean very low, you spray the product, you spin the heads once or twice, and then you just irrigate like you normally would later that night. And the product does not get caught up in the thatch mat layer, and you get uniform wetting throughout that root zone profile, no matter what your thatch is. So that was the other thing that we did. But we didn't just stop there, because I'm all about threes. I'm all about the threes. So what's the third thing that we did? The third thing that we did was we put together a megamolecular tri-block structure. Many of you may be familiar with the branch polymers, which I love. It was a better way. It started off with the anchors that came out with Revolution, which better covered the soil particle. Great invention in the mid-90s. Then the branch technology came out where you were able to cover even more because of the branches. Well, with the megamolecular tri-block structure, it takes that branch molecule to the next level. And you get not only better coverage, but you also get better water movement because of it, and a product that's going to last for you the full 30 days. Sometimes surfactants cut off at 21 days, 28 days. With a megamolecular tri-block structure, you get more consistency in that longevity. So you will see with the Gamechanger, you get a product that works in sandy soils, works in native push-up green soils as well, heavy clay soils. And the reason that it works in different environmental conditions and different soil types is because of the way this product is structured. The molecular weight, the size, and how it's put together, and the combination of the different products is what gives you that consistency in surfactant performance. I don't expect you to take my word that Gamechanger is a product that works. All of these people have gone through unusually extended dry periods. Conditions like this can either be a new product nightmare or a welcome addition. I'm pleased to say that we are helping all of these customers. The one guy said, Gamechanger has been a game changer, I guess he likes puns, in dry conditions on my sand and soil-based teas. The second one, greens are uniform, staying perfect moisture, and when watering, not changing readings on the TDR too much, and keeping speeds. Really good all around. And the third, I like that you don't have to pound the water to get Gamechanger into the root zone, and it still works. All three of these gentlemen are seeing different things and using Gamechanger for different reasons, but the end result is they're getting good results. I think you will too. Ask your Turf Trade sales rep for more information.